Hey F-150 owners, if you're tired of dealing with spills, mud, and unexpected rain ruining your truck seats, you're in the right place. Today, we're breaking down the best waterproof seat covers to keep your interior dry, clean, and looking brand new. Stay tuned, because number 1 is an absolute game changer. Let's dive in. Starting off at number 5, we have the Super Cover Seat Covers, designed specifically for the 2021 to 2024 Ford F-150, but also compatible with models going back to 2015. If you want a seat cover that fits like a glove, this one delivers. Made from high-quality faux leather, it's not just about looks. It's water and UV resistant, meaning your seats stay protected from spills, mud, and even sun damage. All-weather protection? Check. Easy installation? Absolutely. Plus, for a relatively small price, this feels like a huge interior upgrade. So, if you're looking for an affordable way to protect and enhance your truck seats, the Super Cover Seat Covers are a solid choice. But we're just getting started. Wait until you see what's next. At number 4, we have the DiffCar Seat Covers. And if you drive a 2021 to 2025 Ford F-150 Super Crew or Crew Cab, these are made just for you. Thanks to laser scanning fitment, these covers hug your seats nice and snug, giving them a factory upgraded look while keeping them comfortable and secure. Crafted with handmade premium faux leather, they don't just look and feel great, they offer full protection against spills, dirt, and everyday wear and tear. And here's the best part, it's a gorgeous upgrade at an amazing price. If you're looking for a thoughtful gift for an F-150 owner or just want to treat your truck to a premium feel, this one's a winner. But hold on, we're stepping up the game even more with number 3. Let's check it out. Coming in at number 3, we've got the Coverado Seat Covers, built specifically for 2015 to 2024 F-150 Super Crew models. And let me tell you, these are designed to last. With a 6-layer construction, these covers bring premium neoprene durability while keeping your seats soft and comfortable. And since they're waterproof, spills and moisture won't soak through to your factory seats, keeping your interior fresh and protected. The best part? They fit like a glove and stay in place, meaning no annoying shifting or bunching. Plus, installation is a breeze, and if you ever need to remove them, it's just as simple. So, if you want a tough, waterproof, and snug-fitting seat cover, Coverado is a top choice. But wait till you see the next one. Things are heating up. At number 2, we have the Huidasource Seat Covers, a perfect blend of style, comfort, and protection for your 2015 to 2024 Ford F-150 Super Crew. Made from high-quality faux leather, these covers don't just protect your seats, they elevate your truck's interior with a sleek, stylish design. And since the material is waterproof, spills and stains don't stand a chance. Installation? Super easy. Fit? Snug and secure. Comfort? Absolutely on point. And here's the kicker, this full set looks like a high-end upgrade but comes at a fraction of the price. If you want a luxurious feel without breaking the bank, Huidasource is a fantastic choice. But we've saved the best for last. Get ready for our number 1 pick. And finally, taking the number 1 spot, we have the Aierxuan Seat Covers, the ultimate choice for 2009 to 2025 Ford F-150 models. What makes these stand out? Premium quality, unbeatable durability, and next-level comfort. Made from high-quality materials, they're soft, sturdy, and thick, giving your truck's interior a luxurious yet rugged feel. Plus, they're 100% waterproof and super easy to clean, meaning you don't have to worry about spills, dirt, or everyday wear. And here's the big win, they're airbag compatible, ensuring safety while keeping your seats protected. Installation? A breeze. Fit? Snug and secure. Value? One of the best on the market. So, if you want a seat cover that's comfortable, tough, and built to last, Aierxuan is the way to go. That wraps up our list of the best waterproof seat covers for the Ford F-150. Which one's your favorite? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell for more top truck accessories. See you in the next one.